Now we look eastward toward Cortina. We see the ugliest fort in the world, Fort Tre Sassi. It's ugliest museum, and it's also the ugliest fort. We'll take a look inside in a minute, but first we'll look around outside some more. The fort was built by Austria for World War I to control the road to Cortina. It displays things like exploded bombs, grenades, rifles with bayonets and grenades, and maybe some samurai armor thrown in for good measure. There's a machine gun with a cheerful Austrian target, and other displays which are really just pretty much inexplicable. This is camouflage, but it looks more like a genetic experiment gone wild. Let him out of his glass cage. This entire room wins the prize for what the heck is that all about? Unfortunately, we'll never really know, because in true Italian fashion, they took our money to let us into the museum for 5 minutes and then threw us out because it was time for lunch. Outside the fort, looking roughly southwest, you can see additional military fortifications, and if you look closely you can see some trenches. Perhaps more obvious in this picture.